guys, so I'm almost certain this vlog isn't gonna be ready today. It's gonna be ready in a week, but that doesn't matter to you because when you're watching this, it's gonna be like today. So today I had school. This is a little awkward because I don't go here anymore. But as you can see, my house is still a mess. I went to AC Moore again. And then if we come over here, I'm starting to work on my gallery wall, and that is done. That's my vision board. I'll show you that when it's all put together. But this is the gallery wall, and then my vision board is gonna go right here. So the gallery wall is gonna go here. This is gonna be your before, and it's just gonna kind of like cascade down with the pictures over here, and then my flowers, so that's gonna be covered. All right, so the first thing that I did was I took all my frames and everything that I wanted on my gallery wall, and I put it together, and this picture right here will show you what I'm going to do. Like, that's my idea that I had, and that's what I want to do, so whatever. But I went on Pinterest and was like, how to make a gallery wall effective, like, so you don't fuck it up. And this is what I found. You take some packaging, you know, roughly trim out how big your frames are gonna be, and obviously they're a little wonky, and just kind of lay it down here and get those trimmed up. And then I'm just gonna tape them on my wall where I want them. That way I don't have, because I'm only one person, I can't, whatever, put a frame up, step back and look at it. So I'm gonna do my packaging, kind of tape it up there, and then I'm gonna tape up my wreaths and kind of place it where I want. Then I'm gonna put my nails on, like as if they were the frames, and let them set. They're not nails, I'm doing command strips. But that's just a little tip on how to do this effectively, and I'll show you what they look like up on the wall. All right, so right now I'm waiting for the okay for my mom, but I set up everything on the wall, and I'll let you see. So that is what I did. This is gonna be my gallery wall. That is how you kind of plan your gallery wall without fucking it up. You just take some of the wrapping paper, whatever, put it there, and I literally just taped up my wreaths, like they're nothing. You might have to use a little bit of heavier, even if you use like blue paint tape, I feel like that could really hold it. So yeah, that's the gallery wall for now. All right, so the next step, I am going to paint and draw the stuff that I haven't done yet. And I'm gonna do this one last because this is gonna be a hard painting, drawing for me. This one's gonna be kind of a fun one. I'm using, I'll show you, with the painting that was in it, or it's not really a painting, this ugly ass thing that was in it, there's a mat on it and whatever, but I'm just gonna use this as my backboard. So like, I'm gonna put my painting into the picture and then put this right behind it to create, like, I don't know, just so it looks full. And I'm just gonna tape this up on the back, and that's gonna be my back. So I'm going to take this and now measure out my paper on here to see how big my thing is, cut this out, and then I'll get drawing. All right guys, so I finished my drawing, and that's what it's gonna be, just very simple. I'm not sure if I like it. I did it myself, so I could do it again. But it's gonna be part of my gallery wall, that, and then my vision board. All right, so not that you guys would know, but it's been about a week since the last time I filmed and today. All right, friends, not gonna lie, not really super in the mood to YouTube, but that's okay because I have a video due today, and I'm almost done editing, I'm almost done filming, and then all I have to do is edit and have a relaxed, ew, my foot, oh my God. And then I have a relaxed evening. So this is gonna be about the gallery wall only, and I'm just gonna show you, I think, I don't know, maybe scratch that. I'm not sure, but whatever. So I went and pretty much got everything that I needed. The frames are finished. All I have to do is hang, and I'm using command strips, and I'll show you which ones. I got the pretty heavy duty ones just so nothing falls in the middle of the night and breaks my head open. So I'm going to show you the before of the gallery wall, and then I'll show you now. I might just show you now because I already have stuff hung up. And then I'll show you the after. So, hope you guys like this video, and that's it. All right, so this is what it looks like right now. Obviously, these are gonna be my 3 pictures, and then I have my wreaths that you guys saw a little earlier. They fell down, but there's like a piece of tape there, a piece of tape there, and then the last one's gonna go up there. So those are gonna go on. Okay, I don't know why they're not freaking focusing. My camera's shit, I guess. So this is for 12 pounds. This is for 16 pounds. I'm gonna use these above my bed. So today we're working with these suckers. the gallery wall. 3 wreaths, hand painted gold thing. I painted a face, 2 face things, and then here is my vision board. I think I'm gonna change that car to a Range Rover though. We gotta dream big. Grow Team Real and Raw, debt free, 10,000 followers, and $10,000 in my bank account. Some quotes, love of my life, good partner, go to Australia, pour my heart and soul into YouTube, and yeah, central goals. I like the gold theme, gold, black and white, this, and then I'm gonna do my 3 paintings right there. All right, so my room is a mess, and no, I'm not doing the room tour. You're not seeing anything other than this, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and the gallery wall. So it's kind of like a combined DIY gallery wall. So I hope you enjoyed. Took me a little bit. This vlog literally was all over the place, but I'm really impressed with how it came out. Like, I just feel like that adds to the room. The wallpaper's a nice touch as well. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions or anything, comment down below. Make sure you turn on the push notifications. Videos every Thursday. All right. Every Thursday. So subscribe. I'll see you next week. And again, if you have any questions, comment down below. Peace out. And just when y'all thought this vlog was over, it's not. I just spent probably close to 45 minutes trying to take the perfect thumbnail, and I wanted to show you. Fuck, is it not connected anymore? That's awkward. Anyways, I just spent forever trying to pick out a thumbnail, so y'all better like the thumbnail that I chose. Make sure you like. That's all I got. And I did my hair like 50,000 times, and this is what I came up with, you know, a nice fall vibe pajama shirt thing going on. Peace out.